Hello. So in this module, we take a look at how we can actually download the Arduino software to start programming. So you can see this. I am on this website arduino.cc. So just type on the Google and you have this website, and on this website you have this kind of section. So first we come over here and we can click on this option. Then it takes us to what is Arduino and click learn more about Arduino. So we click here and we come to this website where it shows the Arduino introduction. So it tells us about what is Arduino, why Arduino, and its features and all these things, and how do I use Arduino. So you can read all these things. So in the previous model, we have explained that. So here you have an information about Arduino boards, various types of boards that we can click over here, and it takes us to new web page. And this is the hardware that this 8-bit microcontroller Arduino has. So there are many kinds of boards, different shields, carrier kits. So we take a look at, this is the first one, Arduino Pro. Then there are educational kits. So in the kits, you have a Arduino starter kit, you have an Arduino sensor kit, and there are so many other kits. And then there are small versions of Nano Arduinos, that is called Nano family. So these are the set of boards with a tiny footprint packed with features, and they are called Nano family. And it has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi radio modules inside them. And these boards have a set of embedded sensors such as temperature or humidity, pressure, gesture, microphone, and many more. And they can be programmed with MicroPython, and they also support the machine learning algorithm. So you see now MKR family. These are the series of boards, shades, and carriers that can be combined to create amazing projects without any additional circuitry. Each of these boards are equipped with the radio model that enables Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and so many IoT applications can be built based on this low power processors that these boards have. They are also used for environmental sensors, GPS, to perform secure communication, motor control, and etc. So a lot of variety, a lot of shades, and you will see when you click any particular board, you will see. And now this is the classic family. So these are the boards. They are called legendary boards. The very first, the most basic is Arduino Uno. So you see Arduino Uno, R3, R4 with Wi-Fi module, R4 Minima, and Arduino Mini Limited Edition, Arduino Micro, Arduino Zero, and so many other things are there. And they are basically considered, these boards are basically considered as a backbone of the Arduino families. Okay, and we actually will see now many more year has passed, and these boards are still widely used. These are some shields, Arduino motor shield, Arduino relay shields, and so on. And these are the Mega family. They are called Arduino Mega boards. So Arduino Mega, Arduino Duo, Arduino Giga. So these boards are for the projects that demands lots of computing power and input-output general purpose pins. So finally, at the end of these pages, to view all retired Arduino products, you can visit this link, retired products and legacy documentation, and you can actually go that. So here in the table of contents, you have kits, Nano family, MKR family, boards, shells, classic family. In that again, you have boards and shells. So there are three family: Mega family, classic family, and Nano family, and MKR family. Four families. So in each family, you can find the boards and some shells. Okay. So But for example, if you wish to compare the two boards from Arduino family, so you see there is at Mega 328P. This is the board from the Arduino Uno family, where the processor is at Mega 328P. And that's the board from the Arduino Mega family. So the processor is here, right here. That is 80 Mega 2560. So what's the difference between and which board you can use for your project or develop application can be seen here. You see that there are features in the left column, and there are two columns. First is the Atmega 2560, this board on the top, and then second column is Atmega 328P. This is the board for column for the Arduino Uno family board. So you see the architecture, both are 8-bit AVR architectures. The flash memory in the Mega board is 256 kilobytes. So, and here it's 32 kilobytes. It means you have more space for programs, storing your programs in the Mega board. The SRAM, static random access memory, for the Mega board is 8 kilobytes, and 2 kilobytes is the memory size of RAM for the Uno. So from this, we see that during the programs, the data exchange and the instruction storage, temporarily instruction storage, the SRAM is used, and you have more size with the Mega board. Similarly, for EEPROM, you have 4 KB with the Mega, and with the Uno classic family board, this one, you have only 1 kilobyte. But the clock speed, how fast each of these boards are, up to 16 megahertz clock frequency, so their processing speed is same. Digital input pins, GPIO, general purpose pins, are 54 right over in the top boards, but there are only 14 pins right here we have seen in the Uno board. Then there are 15 channels for pulse width modulation for the Mega board, and only 6 channels given for the Uno board, that is at Mega 328P. There are 16 analog to digital converters channels for the Atmega 2560 for this board, and for the board at the bottom, you have only 6 channels for ADC. Similarly, for the communications, UART, SPI, and I2C, there are numbers given here, 4, 1, 1 respectively for the Mega board family, and 1, 1, 1 each for the Uno board family of the board. There are 6 timers for the Mega board, and there are only 3 timers for this Uno board. Operating voltage is 1.8 to 5.5 for both of these boards, and that's the package information. So you see now, we actually can see how these things go.